Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yisao Kamaldin and this is the Trade Trends episode where I come to analyze the forex market and give you guys a potential trading opportunity in the forex markets. So we are going to kick off with the AUD USD. You guys know AUD USD is my favorite pair to trade. So what's actually happening on the AUD USD? We'll start from the monthly time frame. In the last trade trends episode, we forecast that the market is going to come over to 0.6200 for the 100% retracement of this Fibonacci playing out. But the market as well has just been ranging since last year, so, but I feel it's time for the market to move now. So, what's currently happening? This is the trend line holding this from this AUD from falling. So, we'll just have to wait for the counter trend line break of this. So, that's it on the on the weekly time frame. And if I should use my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, you guys can see that it is fulfilling this Fibonacci level and the overall target is 0.6200. If it's take out 0.6200, we are going to the psychological level 0.600, and you guys will psychological level works best for AUD USD. If you have been trading AUD USD for a while now, you get to understand that. So that's it on AUD USD weekly time frame. So let's key over to the daily time frame and see how we can be if we can find any potential trading opportunity. Actually, we were supposed to enter this trade from here because since the market held it, this is 0.6800, that it is a very powerful, like psychological level works the best, and this is a turning point. And you guys can see on the weekly time frame, it is also right on the 0.618 retracement level, Fibonacci retracement level. You guys know how it works like crazy. I've done a lot of experiment on how it works in the last three trends episodes, so kindly go over and check it out. And also, I've noticed that a lot of people who watch my content don't really subscribe to it. So I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it and comment so you can encourage me to make more videos like this, so you can also get to learn about technical analysis so you can use them and profit from the forex market. So um we are supposed to enter from here, but I don't want to enter from here because if we will be entering this trade, we have to be risking a lot. We will have to be risking about 100 pips on this trade, and I wasn't interested in risking 100 pips. That's the true that's the truth of it. That's why I didn't enter this trade. But so now it is all gone now. This is about June or so. So how can we profit from this? So we just have to be very patient for guys. We have to wait for a pullback. So we have to wait for a maybe like a potential pullback before we go over to the downside. So we just have to wait, guys. We just have to wait. There's another trading opportunity on Euro USD and GBP USD. So AUD USD for now, we just have to be very patient and leave it, and let's see what the market is up to. And if the market didn't retrace and eventually break this counter trend line, we'll be waiting for there is a like a um minor level here. So we'll be waiting for a retest on the minor level if the market should take out this counter trend line. So either ways, maybe upside or downside, we'll be making money. So we just have to chill, guys. So that's it for AUD USD. But the overall trend for AUD USD is bearish. I can see and I've signified it on the weekly time frame. So that's it for AUD USD. Let me go over I think AUD GBP USD is an interesting pair to trade. So what's happening on AUD GBP USD? Let me go over to the monthly time frame and see what's going on the weekly time frame for GBP USD. Actually, what happened was that there was a double top, the neckline was broken, and the market when down here, and the market is currently retracing on the monthly time frame. Market is currently retracing on the monthly time frame. If I should drop my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low, you'll see that it is right on that 0.618 level. You guys know how powerful it is. It is a very powerful level, and it is also on monthly time frame. Tools work better, or I don't let me say it this way. Analysis works better on higher time frame, because on lower time frame there are a lot of manipulations and a lot with the market makers. But if you should do your analysis on higher time frame and it is correct, it will surely play out. So this if the market doesn't break above this of the above 1.313 level, definitely we are coming to this zone here. We are coming to this 1.2200. If the market didn't break above 1.3136 level, the market is coming to 1.22164. It is, I can guarantee you guys that. So that's it. Sorry guys. So that's it on the GPB USD monthly time frame. Let's go over to the weekly time frame. So what was happening was that there was it is something like the market. We were bearish from here. We thought the market wants to form something like a um an head and shoulder, but that didn't happen. The market broke through it, and it is currently testing this level. That's why one thing about market is, guys, you don't have to predict anything in the market. You just have to react to the market in order to save us a lot of money. If we've if if you have how do I say it? Sorry guys. If you have predict like just assume, if you have assumed that the market is going to form head and shoulder, like the I think we'll probably classify this like the left shoulder, and this will be the right shoulder, but that didn't happen. So this is just a leg to the upside, and this is like a neckline, and the market is coming to this upside there, to this 1.3136 level, for the second touch, or the for a double top, rather. For a double top, you can call it a double top, or testing it for the second time. That's it. So let me go over to the daily time frame and see how we can be profiting of this. So what actually happened was that since the market refused to go up here, actually when the market was here and the market picked up to this upside, but I thought the market wants to form an inverse section. It is actually an inverse head and shoulder, but it didn't come to the neckline, pretty to the neckline, but it is what it is. Like the market, the pattern doesn't have to show like that obvious like that, but the what we can actually bring out from this is that there was a lower high and lower abi there was an sorry there was an higher high and higher low, and there was another higher high, and this is currently the higher low like this, before we go over to the upside. And if you can see, this is also Fibonacci level. When I draw my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, this is currently testing the level. If on daily time frame, it has moved past the 0.618 level, and it is, as you guys can see, and it is currently testing the 0.786 level. It is also a powerful level in the forex market, in the Fibo, when we are talking about Fibonacci 2, the 0.5, 0.618, and 0.786 level. The three are very, very powerful. I just don't like to have it on my chart because of distraction. I don't like to have a lot of stuffs on my chart because of distraction. So I'm going to delete that. But so what's happening is that in for the temporarily, the GPBUSD is bearish. You just have to sell all the way to the upside for you to come to this zone here. So that's it. That's the temporal That's the temporarily on what's happening temporarily on GPB USD. So let me go over to the 4 hour time frame and let's look for a buying opportunities. So what's there again? If we'll be entering any trade, we will at least you guys know that if we should still come to this lower time frame here, this is also like a downtrend from here to here. So in order to be safe, we won't just be buying on this counter trend line. We'll wait for the market to give us a chart pattern. You guys know that whenever a reversal chart pattern happens and the neckline is broken, it will surely works 99% of the time. So what we are going to be doing, because we guys we are going to be trading it alongside me, we'll be trading it together. So what we are going to do is to wait for this break of this counter trend line for the market to come to this neckline here. Then we'll wait for the right shoulder right about this spot. You guys know that this 0.2820 is also a it's also a like a major level. I've marked it out since like maybe like last year because market has been around it a lot of times. So I've marked it out. So I'll be watching out for the market to form something like this. Then if the market form something like this, we'll be we'll be buying from here. We'll be buying from here. Our 100% our first level target will be at this neckline here because the market can come to this neckline and find a way to, or to the downside. But to be on a safer side, we'll be buying from here. If the market did just that, I will be giving you another case if the market didn't do that. But if the market did as we predicted, although we won't be placing any trade unless the market did what we want it to do. So we'll be waiting for the market to come here. We'll be buying from here. Our first level target will be here, and when the first level target is hit, we'll be moving our stop loss to break even. Our second level target will be 1.30500, and third level target will be 1.3200. That's it on GPB USD. But so that's if the market forms an inverse head and shoulder. But uh, if that didn't happen rather, so if assuming the market break through this neckline, we'll be waiting for a retest on the neckline before we fire out all the way to the upside. So that's um second instance for it. So if the market didn't form a level red and shoulder, it will at least be like it will at least be like this. It will take out the last high and then retest back on it before we move all the way to the upside. So if the market didn't form either head and shoulder and broke through the neckline and came back to the test on it, so we'll be placing our buy trade from here. And this is a good risk to reward if you should ask me, guys. It will actually be a good risk to reward. The first level target will be at this, so 1 to 2 just for the first level targets. And if you should ask me, if you are risking $100 on this trade, we'll be making $200 just in the first level targets. There is still an opportunity of it going up to the way to the upside, but to be on the safer side, we'll just be taking a portion of our profits and moving stop loss to break even. So 1.2 risk to reward is a great one if you should ask me. So that's it for GPBSD second case scenario. But if the markets just keep going all the way to the downside, you guys know we don't have any control over the market. The market can do whatever it likes. So if it is moving all the way to the downside, all we just have to do is to sit on our hands. Trading opportunities will come. You don't have to be desperate for trading opportunities, or else the market will take your money. What as a trader, your job is to be patient and look for the best setup. Then you pull the trigger. You don't have to constantly be looking for trades. When the market is not working out, so go and do other things. Go and do. whatever is whatever you enjoy doing, so you can let the market bid and play out well and form really nicely for you. So that's the trading opportunity on GPB USD. So I will be going over Euro USD. Because of time, I won't be analyzing from the monthly time frame. I'm just going to analyze from the daily time frame. I already did the analysis from the monthly time frame in the last three trends episode. You should definitely check this out. So this is similar to um GPB You guys know Euro USD and GPB USD are slightly the same. So what's happening on, okay, let me go over to the weekly time frame really fast. I will just have to be very fast with this because of time. So what's happening on Euro USD was that there was a, like, this is, the market was in a downtrend for a very long time since about like 2021, and the market came back to for a retracement in 2022. So we are actually in the retracement. But I'm spotting something really nice. This is a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So I feel the market wants to test the right shoulder one more time before going over to the downside. So that's it for Euro USD on the monthly time frame. The market is wants to test the right shoulder for one more time before going over to the downside. That's what I feel on it. So let's go over to the daily time frame and see what's going on. So on the daily time frame, we actually wait for there was a, like you guys know, this is supposed to be like a if we'll be talking in a structured time, this is a lower low. This is supposed to be a lower high, and the market should give a lower low all the way to the downside. But the market broke the structure around there, broke the structure around there. I don't know if you guys can see my navigation arrow. So it broke the structure and came back to form a lower low and give a higher high. Although this is not exactly the best high, but at least there was a break of structure here. So definitely it is still going all the way to the upside. And since we've did our analysis on the weekly time frame, and it has given us the clear direction that the market wants to test the right shoulder one more time. So actually I was waiting for the market to break. What happened was I was waiting for the market to break this counter trend line, then I shoot all the way to, as you guys know, I like to use this Fibonacci tool a lot. So there was a Fibonacci play out here too. So as you can see, it's lined up pretty nicely. There was a demand level here, the a counter trend line break, and also the Fibonacci level. So that was like maybe like the entry criteria. So but the market spiked all the way to the upside because of news that happened on I think Friday. Yeah, this happened on Friday. So because of news that happened on Friday, what we just have to do is to be patient and wait for a pullback before buying all the way to the upside. So Euro USD, we just have to wait for a pullback. This is the market is already playing out, but the market can't just go like that. Or to at least it can't go in a straight way. It can't just go like that. Or to at least give us some pullback before this happens. So that's it for Euro USD. So if the market didn't give us like a pullback before hitting the 100% retracement, there's nothing to worry about. We just have to still wait for it to when the market hits the 100% retracement, the extension level is still there. So what we just have to do is to wait when it hits 100% retracement, or before then, any form of pullback, we should just enter this trade and ride all the way to the 1.100, which is a very powerful psychological level. So that's it for today's Trade Trends episode. Thank you guys for listening to me and watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and also comment. Peace out.